We'll guide you through how to create a game pass on Roblox. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you want to do this, for example, perhaps you're trying to go and get a donation button in Please Donate, so you want to go and have a game pass, or alternatively, you just want to go and create one for a game you're working on. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this, and as well as creating it, we'll show you how you can then go and put it on sale, so people can go and buy it in order for you to go and get Robux. And also, if you want to go and be appearing in Please Donate, it needs to be on sale as well. So we're going to guide you through this step by step, so make sure it's this full guide, and you can then know how you need to go about this. So to get started, you want to come to the Roblox website. That's going to be roblox.com, and you can go and sign into your account. As you can see, I am in the top right. So then what you need to do is you need to go and head to the top of Roblox. There you're going to go and see this bar. And what you need to do is you need to go and click on create. Now, in some cases, when you come here, it may go and look a little bit different. It may go and look like this. If it does, you don't actually need to go and press start creating, as that will try and launch the Roblox studio. So you want to go to the top and go and press dashboard, and you go and be on the creations. So if you are just taken to create.roblox.com, press creations to the left and you'll be here. As you can see, here we are. Now, I've got some experiences here, but likely you're just going to go and have one, which will go and say your name and place. Everybody goes and has this on their Roblox account. So you want to go and click on it like so. You're going to go and see some information about it. Don't worry. It is important to note, though, if you want to go make a game pass for a particular game, go and click on it. But let's say you're doing it for Please Donate. It doesn't matter. You can just go and click on any of them. And as I said, by default, everybody's going to have this experience. But if there's a specific one you want to use, make sure you go and click on it. Then what you need to do is you need to come over to the left and you need to go and start scrolling down. You want to go and find the option for monetization and find passes. Sometimes Roblox do reorganize this. You may need to go and look up or down a bit more, but you should be able to go and find passes in the monetization section. Let's go and click on it. Now, because I haven't currently got any passes, I just have this button here, create a pass. So then what you can do is go and click on it. Now we can get started. You've got the optional image upload, so you can go and add an image for your game pass if you want, but otherwise, if no image is provided, the default image will be used, which is this here. What you must do though is go and give it a name. So I can go and name this the GuideRealm Epic Pass. You can name it something else, which is to do with your game or something to do with you. And then you can optionally add a description as well. And then you can go to the bottom and you'll go and see the create pass button. So you can then go and click on it and the pass is then created. So you go and see, if you want to go and have other passes, you could press create a pass at the top and start creating more. For example, in Please Donate, if you want to have multiple donation buttons, you could go and press that again. But now, if you want people to be able to go and buy it, we need to go and put it on sale. So what you need to do is go and click on it in this list. Then you can go over to the left and find the option for sales, and you can switch on item for sale. And then here you can go and type in the price. So if you're doing this for Please Donate, the price here is going to then be the amount that it is in Please Donate. So let's say you wanted it to be 50 Robux, I could type that in. You can then go and press save changes, and you need to go and agree here. I do, so I'll press proceed. And that's it. So it's now for sale. It will be appearing in Please Donate. If you want to get the link for your pass, come back to roblox.com and press your profile in the top right. Scroll down and press creations. Find the place you did it for. Likely it'll be your place. Then you can go and press store and you should be able to find it and click on it and you can then grab the link here.